Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about page message tag. This tag shows error and warning message within page. And this page message tag contains one required attribute name is severity. And values of severities are confirm, info, warning and error. Another attribute of page message tag is strength. Strength attribute used for visibility and size of the icon displayed next to the message. Values of strength is 0. It is used for no image. Another values is 1. It shows the size of the icon which is small. And 3. 3 is used to large icon size. Let's see one example. Here I am create one page sample page message. We need to activate development mode. Okay, we activate development mode. Okay, here I am create page name is sample page example. Here I am write tag apex page message attribute is summary. In that summary I am write validation message right here. Here I am write sample summary. We can write anything in that. It display when error occur. After that save. Here we can see that error is occurred missing required attribute severity. Here I am write severity equals to and values is I am write confirm. After that save. Stack is here. After that save. We can see here page message page message is successfully created, and we can see that another attribute is strength. Now here I am write strength. Here I am write values is 3. After that save. Now we can see here icon is created here first of the this text. We can also decrease size of this icon. Write values here 1. Now icon is small, and when I am right here strength is 0, then its icon is disappear. In this way we can create page message tag in Visualforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.